Hello, my name is Nicholas Norris. I'm an engineer with the City of Waco Fire Department at Fire Station number 10. We're also at the Waco Regional Airport. Welcome to our station. Here at Waco Regional Airport at the fire station, we have two ARF trucks. They're aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicles. One is our 2018 Oshkosh and a 2002 E1 Titan. So here we have our 2018 Oshkosh Striker. In the first compartment here, we have our hose reel and our electric reel. The hose reel we use for inflating airbags to lift airplanes if needed. We also have an air hammer that we use to cut open planes with. In our second compartment, we have crosslay that we can use for structural firefighting or going interior on an aircraft. And we have our red line. We can get water and foam and purple K out of the end of the red line. So we have three different extinguishing agents on this truck. One is water, which is used to fight fires such as grass fires. We have foam on the truck, which is used for flammable liquids such as gasoline, jet fuel, aviation fuel. And then we have something that's called a three-dimensional fire, which is fire that the fuel is leaking out of an airplane wing and leaking down. And so that's when we use a purple K to put out that fire. Our next compartment here is our intakes, so we can refill the truck with water. And also right here is the actual pump that is used to pump out the water. So this compartment holds a variety of tools. We have a set of jaws of life. We have cutters, spreaders, and a ram. Right here is an airbag. We can slide this under an airplane and actually lift an airplane up if we need to. This is another tool compartment. We have a toolbox. We have a fan. This is an electric fan for ventilating aircraft, blowing smoke out of aircraft. At the airport, we have a special axe. Notice it's not straight. It's got a couple of bars here. It's to keep from jamming as we're trying to chop through metal. This right here is our seatbelt cutter, and this is another metal axe used to cut through the skin of an aircraft. Our last compartment here is our medical gear. We carry multiple bags. We have our trauma bag, we have our airway bag. We also carry a bag with triage tags in it. Our triage tags are used for mass casualty incidents. Here at the airport, there's a chance that we may have a large number of victims. So each victim will get a triage tag, and it designates their priority to get them to the hospital. So on the front of this truck, we have two turrets. We have a bumper turret. The bumper turret will actually go all the way down to the ground, so that way we can get underneath an airplane. And our A-trip turret, that turret's actually on an extendable arm, so we can get up high, and it also goes all the way to the ground. Now we're gonna spray water. That's a straight stream, and I'm gonna go to, we have a fog pattern. So here's our piercing nozzle. We can deploy the piercing nozzle and actually pierce through the skin of an aircraft. If there's fire on the inside of the aircraft that hasn't broke out yet, we can pierce it through the aircraft. The joysticks control the turrets. This one controls our bumper turret, and this one controls our roof turret. So here we have our 2002 E1 Titan. This is our reserve ARF truck, just in case the other truck needs to go down for maintenance or something. There's just very few differences. This one does not have the A-trip boom on the very top, and the bumper turret does not go all the way to the ground like ARF 10 does. And welcome to the inside of Fire Station number 10. We're going to start here in the kitchen area. Up along the walls, we have multiple study materials. So this is all information that is needed to be known for working here at Waco Regional Airport. We are governed by not only the city of Waco, but by the FAA. So a lot of this information is FAA information that we're required to know for working out here at the airport. And now we're in our living room area. There's only 2 firefighters at this station per shift. And so we only have 2 chairs in our living room area. Here at the airport, when you're driving out on the runways and taxiways, you have to really pay attention to the signage that's out there to tell you which way to go, where you're at. So this sign here, taxiway you're on. The sign there in the corner is a mandatory hold bar. So if we're coming up to that spot, it's like a stop sign. You have to stop at that location. And then the red sign with the 119, that is a runway sign, runway designation sign. And we're gonna move into our bedroom area. We do have 4 beds. On occasion, we will have an extra staff member for training purposes. So we have extra beds for that, but for the most part, there's only 2 of us here at a time. One of the things I like out here is the unfeathered view of the sunsets. They can be spectacular. Thank you for coming out to Fire Station number 10 today. I hope you have a nice day and fly Waco.